Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I make videos on YouTube and I share my work with you and the rest of the world or whoever wants to see it. And I want to thank everybody for watching my videos throughout the years that I've been making them. And this, my friend, is the reason why I make my videos. For people like you, for people like this right here. I got a voicemail from somebody, and I want to share it with you guys, because for me, I mean, it means the world to me when I get something like this. And let's listen to this. Let's listen to this voicemail, and then I'm going to call them back, by the way, and I'm going to help them in any way that I can. So thank you to all my subscribers for being there, loyal, and I'll see you on the next one. One day or another, we're going to have a next one. Coming up in October, I'm doing another roof.
Mr. Drew, I watch your channel of you fixing trailers, and I love it. I love your work. You're amazing. I was wanting to know, I was homeless, and I ended up buying a little piece of land and had a trailer on it and needed to be fixed. I was wanting to know what type of flooring I would need to fix. The floors are weak. They need to be taken up. If you could, give me a call, 540-838. Thank you, sir.
That's an incredible voicemail for me. And I will be calling her back, like, right now. And I'll let you know how it goes.